Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're doing a quick review, shooting video, demonstration, whatever you want to call it, of the Tokyo Marui CQB-R Block 1 M4. Of course, it is Tokyo Marui out of Japan. It's got a Cerakote finish on it. Real Cerakote firearm finish, they call it. I don't know why I'm doing quotations. It is Cerakote, so no complaints there. It is the gas blowback version. This one's shooting at about 285 to 310 FPS, depending if you're using duster gas or if you're using propane or green gas. Will get you to 310 with this short barrel. Flip her on over. You can see the nice Colt trademarks right there. You can also see the made in Japan. Oh, no, it says Colt Defense, Hartford, Connecticut, USA. The made in Japan must be on the other side. Does come with a really nice sling point. This CQB-R version does. Supposed to be for close quarter combat. Has a 6-position stock. It is the crane stock by Tokyo Marui. Supposedly this can fit real steel parts on the pistol grip. The stock, you might need to get a new buffer tube to have it mil spec. It will have a little wobble or be a little tight with some real steel parts. I hear this rail is a son of a bitch to deal with if you want to extend it, make this an M16 mod or something. I would just keep it all stock. I wouldn't touch it. I just hear that there's what keeps the outer barrel connected to the receiver is this nut that isn't mil spec. It's just a Marui style nut that is a son of a bitch. That's what I've heard. It's got the regular sights, not the carry handle, but just the back version. Kind of has a special flash hider to it. I guess it's the CQB-R mod. It's got that little cut-in into it. It comes with this very nice, sturdy, Tokyo Marui branded foregrip. Not going to be taking that off anytime soon. In the US, you can get your hands on 2 different types of gases for really cheap. One is duster gas. You can get at Walmart. This will not run at anything less than like 60 degrees. It's really low power. It's almost like the 144A gas that Japan uses. But it just comes with a little adapter. You can put it on and fill up the mags. I run the tried and true propane. I add silicone to it. This is the silicone I add to it. It's called Super Lube O-Ring Silicone Lubricant. You can get it off Amazon. It's a very thick, high viscosity oil. Yeah, it really coats the mag in some pretty good silicone, and hopefully it keeps the seals good for a couple years to come before I have to silicone seal them. The magazine is really nice. For being metal, it's actually decently lightweight. Tokyo Marui, made in Japan. As you can see, the fill valve right there is slightly angled, so you don't just push it in straight vertically. You have to do it at an angle. We're doing all of our tests today with 0.23 gram Bing BBs. They are Tokyo Marui OEM. So hopefully it gets the best results. To load the mag, I'd recommend getting a style magazine that has the gas blowback magazine adapter to it. You just put it right onto it with this. Tighten down, make sure you have your finger down right there. And just do what gas blowback mags do. Holds 35 rounds. Make sure that front BB is lined up so it doesn't splice when the bolt goes forward and it doesn't get all torn up in your gearbox. To load the propane, I was telling you earlier, you want to do it at an angle, kind of like 45-degree angle, like that. Go until it spurts. See that? That means it's a full mag. That's the Tokyo Marui thing. They'll have the gas spurt back out at you to let you know that the mag is full. Let's get to shooting it. So our targets today are set up at 3 yards, about 7 or 8 yards, and then the gopher is about 15 or 20 yards. We're going to be shooting from a seated position. And yeah, let's get to it. Hopefully I get to show a lot of the action and how it blows back. Okay guys, here we are. You got your 35 round propane filled magazine. It's about 40 degrees today. Pretty cold to be shooting. We'll see how the gas efficiency works. So you put in the mag. Cock it back on semi. See how the bolt locked back? Very cool. Very cool. And then you put a new mag in, hit the bolt release, and it sends it home. It's very easy to adjust the hop up, not in game, but on the, while you're warming up for it. You pop this little pin out here. It won't come all the way out. That's a nice little feature. Hit it down. Then what you're going to do is take the bolt out. I'm going to put it over here real fast so it doesn't get all messed up. Then your hop up is right in there. I believe Ford is more hop. No, that must be no hop. I think I got it. Once you have the bolt back in it, you can then close it down. Man, this is... it's scary. There we go. Got it in. Because you don't want to break this, you know, $700 replica At the same time, you need it to work. I'm going to demonstrate the bolt release again. Sends it right forward. Get some more shots in. All I do is hold it straight. Watch how much recoil. Here we go, guys. We're gonna do a quick FPS check on it. Shooting 2 3s. It's 40 degrees out here. 289.89 joules. 284.86 joules. 283. 284. 282. 284. So you can see in 40-degree weather, it's getting about, I would say, 283 average FPS. Not bad with .23s, and considering we've been shooting this mag like crazy already. But let's keep shooting it. I'm very satisfied with its performance, guys. It's 39 degrees, 40 degrees out here. And with a full gas charge, which the gas has been sitting outside, so it's about 40 degrees, it can hold. It even locks back. No complaints, guys. No complaints. Well, no, I got one complaint. One complaint. That hop up. I had to take about 5 minutes off camera to take the bolt out, get in there, and figure out. They don't even have a little arrow showing the direction. You just gotta worry it out. Oh, I figured it out, though. Back towards you. Towards the bolt carrier is hop up. Towards the front of the barrel, no hop up. But this thing does really good. With full hop, you can probably get like 3 O's, 2 8s at 60, 65 feet. Sorry, meters, 65 yards, meters. All in all, though, I would pick this up. I'd pick this up. I'd pick it up now. $625 off Evike. They didn't touch anything. They kept the packaging how it was. And I'm just really impressed with it, guys. Have a good day. And remember, shoot safe and shoot a lot.